Hello, friends of 6th semester. On YouTube channel, we are meeting for the second time. In last lecture, we have discussed regarding the hybrid seed production of the rice. In that lecture, I have told you we will discuss regarding the another important crop, hybrid seed production. So today we will discuss regarding hybrid seed production in the sorghum. But before that, I want to make one request. Please, friends, inform your dear friends to attend these lectures, because as soon as the semester will commence, we will conduct the examination. So these lectures are very important. So please inform your friends to join in these lectures. Now let us start our lecture. Hybrid seed production in sorghum. Sorghum, the scientific name of the sorghum is sorghum bicolor. We are also known as a juar, and it is the important crop of the Gujarat. And so many hybrid varieties are existing in the sorghum crop. And all these are CSH series. And nowadays we are utilizing CSH 18, 21, 22, 23. So CSH 18, CSH 21, CSH 22, CSH 23. All these are a popular variety of the sorghum hybrids. So let us start regarding the hybrid seed production of the sorghum. So first point is multiplication of a particular class seed. So first class is the breeder seed multiplication. In case of the breeder seed multiplication, we are multiplying A seed, we are multiplying B seed, and we are multiplying R seed. A seed can be multiplied by A crossing with the B. So we will get the A seed. For multiplication of B seed, we are doing selfing. And for multiplication of the R seed, we are doing the selfing. So in this way, we are multiplying the breeder seed. The same procedure at the foundation stage. In foundation stage, we are also only multiplying the seed of the A, seed of the B, seed of the R, as I have mentioned in that manner. So in a breeder and foundation stage, we are just multiplying the A, B and R seed. While in case of the certified seed production, we are crossing the male and female parent. So in certified seed production, we are crossing A with the R, in which A is our female parent and R is naturally our male parent. So for production of the hybrid seed, isolation distance maintained in case of the sorghum at a foundation stage, 300 meter isolation distance is maintained, while at a certified seed production 200 meter isolation distance is recommended. So at a certified stage 200 meter isolation distance, please remember this. Seed rate for hybrid seed production, seed of the female parent means seed of the A line is required 8 kg per hectare, while seed of the male parent or R line is required 4 kg per hectare. So in this way 8 kg female seed and 4 kg male seed for 1 hectare. Now this spacing, in case of this spacing, between two rows 45 cm and within rows between two plant 30 cm, means 45 cm by 30 cm spacing is maintained. And one point also keep in the mind that the surrounding plot area or at the border row, you have to always grow the R line or male parent. So border row should be made up of the male parent. Now we are producing the hybrid seed. So we are having one female parent and one male parent. So planting ratio is 5 female line and 2 male line. So 5:2 ratio, 5 female, 2 male planting ratio is maintained in case of the sorghum. And when we are producing the seeds of the sorghum, at that time always there will be a fertilizer rate will be higher than the normal agronomic practices. So 100 kg nitrogen, 50 kg phosphorus and 50 kg potash is given to the sorghum, in which 50 kg nitrogen is given as a basal dose and 2 split application of the 25 kg is given during the standing crop condition. So this is regarding the agronomic practice. Now one another point should be keep in the mind, while we are planting the male and female parents, staggered planting or staggered sowing always should be done, because the flowering period of the female parent should be synchronized with the flowering period of the male parents, and when and in which quantity to be staggered, that should be depend on the nature of the parent. Which parent we are using as a female parent, which parent we are using as a male parent, according to that staggering should be done, and detailed staggering time procedure is given in the material that I have given to you. So this is the important point, that staggered sowing should be done. Now another important aspect is the rogging. While we are doing a seed production, rogging is always important. So in case of the sorghum, we have to rog out generally major 3 type of the plants. One is the pollen cedar. So what is the pollen cedar? In case of the female parent, suppose pollen grains may occur, so it is known as a pollen cedar. Or in A line, B type plant occurs, that is known as a pollen cedar. So in female parent, pollen cedar should always be removed. Then off type plant, it should also be removed. Disease plant, it should also be removed. So pollen cedar, off type plant and disease plant should be removed during the rogging operation. And after that, when it may comes to a maturity, but before that, mind well, in case of the sorghum, we are utilizing CGMS well sterility. So there is a no need of operation of the emasculation in the female parent. So naturally R will pollinate the A line, and on the A line we will get the hybrid seed, and R line seed is considered as a general seed. So in this way, automatic cross pollination will occur and harvesting will commence. At the time of harvesting, we have to always harvest the male parent first to prevent the contamination. So always harvest the male parent, that seed considered as a general seed. So female parent seed will be remain, and that female parent seed will be our hybrid seed. Then series of the operations should be carried out, like threshing, drying, processing, bagging. All these operations should be carried out. Now at the time of the hybrid seed production of the sorghum, you have to always keep the seed standard and field standard, and detail of the seed standard and field standard is given in your material. So you have to read out our material for the seed standard and field standard. So this is the process of production of hybrid seed in case of the sorghum. The first male sterility source in the sorghum is the CK60. Combined Kafir 60 is the first male sterility source in case of the sorghum. And seed production or hybrid seed production of the sorghum is just same as a per millet. So whatever care we are taking in case of the per millet, the same care should be taken in case of the sorghum. So this is regarding the hybrid seed production of the sorghum crop. And my humble request to all of you, after watching this lecture, please press the like button and also send me message of your name, roll number and semester by WhatsApp. So in future we will also continue our this type of lecture, And if you have any problem regarding seed production technology, you can call me on the 990-422-9400. Thank you very much.